first came out, lahat sila iba-ibang mga statements na ibinigay nila sa inyo. But they were all with one message, and that is their love for Mother Earth and their invitation for you to care for Mother Earth as well. So now, we have invited a very, very special lady for all of us to meet and speak with. Please allow me to welcome the very first winner from the Philippines for Miss Earth, Miss Carla Paula Henry. Good evening, Carla. Good evening, everybody. So yeah, this is gonna be a meet and greet. How does it feel being the very, very first winner from the Philippines?
Well, obviously, I'm very proud to have represented the Philippines. Okay, gusto niyo mga narinig answer ko. But yes, I'm very excited for the year ahead, and I'm very honored that you guys gave me the opportunity to represent, and of course, be the very first Miss Earth Filipinas.
Siyempre, because this is Miss Earth Fahrenheit, the candidates a while ago, when they first came out, they already gave their messages on how to save Mother Earth. So perhaps we would like to hear a short message from you as well.
Alright, well, to the lovely, lovely candidates, all of you know that at the Miss Earth, we're very, very passionate about the cause, of course. Seryoso po kami sa pag-aalaga sa kalikasan po natin. But also to the candidates, sana naman ang pinagsabi nyo kanina gagawin din nyo sa mga bahay nyo or sa life nyo in your daily lives. So, masasabi ko lang sa inyo, alam nyo naman yata to, di ba? Reuse, recycle, reduce. Alam nyo naman yata yan. So, all of you are old enough, responsible enough, and I'm sure mature enough to do something for our Earth, our Mother Nature. And may share lang ako sana. Share ko na ha. You know, dito sa Fahrenheit, this is a very meaningful place for me because this is where I trained for Miss Earth 2008. Dito ako, kasama po ng mga mentors ko, sila Mami G, sila Tito Rogel, sila Tito J. All of them were training me. Dito ako nagrampa-rampa noon, training myself, hoping to become the first Miss Earth from the Philippines, and I did become one. So very meaningful po talaga tong Fahrenheit. So thank you, Wilbert. Si Wilbert. Friend! Thank you, friend. At alam niyo ba si Wilbert yung pinakamalakas na boses sa Miss Earth nung time na yun? Siya talaga yung supporter to the maximum level talaga si Wilbert. So salamat, friend. Salamat na salamat. May sore throat ka siguro nung morning na yon. Pero thank you very much for coming to support. And thank you all of you for watching Miss Earth and supporting us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much. You've been a tremendous help and a great support for not just for me, but for, of course, the entire beauty queens here in Manila and in the Philippines. Maraming salamat, Ferdy. Salamat sa inyo.
Bago kita bumabain ng stage, Carla, kasi like ikwento mo nga sa amin that you were training here before you became the very first Miss Earth. Paano nabago yung buhay mo? Nung ipinatong sa'yo yung corona ng Miss Earth, paano niya nabago yung buhay mo? Has it changed tremendously?
I wouldn't say that it's changed my personality. If anything, it's given me more perspective about, of course, nature and environment and how to take care of it. But as for myself, it hasn't really sunk in yet na I am Miss Earth. Wala pa eh. It only comes when I put on the sash and crown. Pero when I'm just here in front of you in jeans and, you know, regular shirt, then parang wala lang po para sa akin eh. Pero it's a great opportunity for me, and it was a great honor, as I said. Pero I'm looking forward for the year ahead and to see all the activities that I'm going to get to do, and maybe to see more of you guys in the future.
And of course, sigurado ako that everyone here is going to give you their full support, di ba? Syempre, thank you so much, Miss Carla Paula Henry, the very first Miss Earth from the Philippines. A round of applause, please, for Miss Carla Paula Henry. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the names of the top 8 delegates will be revealed when we return after this video break. But